Hello, superstars. Welcome back to Tarot with Donna, where today's reading is dedicated to all the go getters, dreamers, and achievers preparing for big exams like CA, UPSC, or any competitive exam. You have been grinding, putting in the hours, and maybe feeling like you are hitting a wall. But guess what? I'm here to help you see the light. Let's take a deep breath and see what the tarot cards have to say about your journey. Are you ready? Let's go! Boom! We have the first card, and that is the Chariot. The ultimate card of victory and determination. You are a warrior, my friend. You know what the Chariot says? No matter how tough things seem, you have got this. And it's telling you to stay focused, keep your eyes on the prize, and push forward with confidence. You are going places, sure. There may be bumps along the way, but you are in the driver's seat. Full speed ahead, no turning back. Okay? Number 7 and number 12 may be significant. I'm hearing the words balance, determination. Next up, we have got the Page of Pentacles. And you know what? Hard work and new opportunities. You are on the right track, and it's all about putting in the effort now to reap the rewards later. This card is like a green light to keep working hard, to keep studying with focus, and don't let distractions get to you. I can see some of you getting influenced by the other friends who are partying, hanging out, visiting different cafes, okay, traveling, going on vacations. No, no, no. Your time will come, definitely. And this is your startup phase, laying the foundation for something big. The universe is seeing your efforts and good things are coming your way. The words that are popping in my head are growth and new beginnings. Okay, number one and number four may be significant for you. Oh, we got the hermit showing up now. Time to get your zen on. This card is telling you that it's okay to take a break and reflect. Sometimes the hustle can feel overwhelming, okay? And the hermit is giving you the permission to step back and clear your mind. You're not running away from your work. You're just allowing yourself some time to refuel. Trust me, when you return, your mind will be clear and sharp. With hermit card, I would suggest some of the students, meditate, go to a quiet place, don't overthink, just be. Okay? It may help you. Just a tip because it helped me when I used to study. Next, the star card. Now, this card is really shining bright on my studio students. Hope and healing energy is coming your way. This is such a good sign and such a beautiful card. The star card is all about inspiration, and guess what? You are about to have a breakthrough. If you have been feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or like you are not making any progress, or you're feeling like, no, 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 I'm not able to pass this particular exam, okay? I know I'm a failure. The star says, do not worry, your time is coming. Keep dreaming big and working hard. And remember, the universe is giving you a boost of positive energy here. Your hard work is about to pay off in a way you never imagined. Okay, now we have the Ace of Swords, and let me tell you, this card is all about clarity and new beginnings. This is your sharp mind coming into play. No more confusion or second guessing. The Ace of Swords is here to help you cut through the fog and focus. If you have been struggling to understand a concept or make sense of something, expect a sudden breakthrough. Your mental power is at its peak, so now's the time to tackle those difficult subjects with a clear and sharp mind. The words that are popping in my head: truth, clarity. Okay. Next up, we have the Ten of Pentacles. This is the abundance card. Yes, you heard it right. This card is a huge indication that your hard work is going to pay off big time. It's not just about passing exams, my dear. It's about financial stability and the long term success that you are about to achieve. It's telling you that your efforts are going to bring you security and a bright future. Keep going because you are building something that will last a lifetime. And hey, your family's support. They are gonna be so proud of you. Think about it. The words that are popping in my head are abundance and success. Last, but definitely not least, my students, we have got the strength. And this card is showing that you have the inner power to conquer anything. So when life gets tough and the pressure is on, the strength card says you have got what it takes to push through. You may not see it now, but you have the resilience and the patience to get through the toughest of challenges. You have overcome obstacles in the past and you will do it again. So keep calm and trust in your abilities. You are stronger than you think. The words that are popping in my head are courage and confidence. Okay, Powerhouse, here's the deal. The cards are telling you that you have got what it takes to crush these exams. Yes, there will be challenges, but guess what? You are unstoppable, my dear. The chariot is telling you to keep going full force, while the star assures you that your hard work will soon pay off. The hermit reminds you to take time for yourself to recharge, and the strength says you have got the inner power to succeed no matter what. So, my dear students, you are on the right path. Just stay focused and don't let anything stop you. This is your time to shine. Are you curious to know some key numbers and dates? Okay, let me help you with that. Important dates are 1, 7, 8, 10, 17. Significant numbers are 1, 7, 9, 10, 17, 21, 25, 29, 27, 15, 18, 24, 36, 35. Colors that you should keep in mind are green, yellow, blue, gold, and white. Keep believing in yourself, students. Success is coming your way. I wish you all the good luck. Take care. Bye for now.